Here's my mom's cooking one of her many, many dishes that we enjoy called Khao Som. It's kind of like her version of Spanish rice. It goes with this homemade fresh pork cracklings, chicharron. Right now she's just frying up the garlic. That's a lot of garlic. Saving some of this to top for topping. And that's tomato. Gonna add all of that tomato. MSG. Good. Salt. Okay, now it's ready. Here she goes. She's gonna put in this rice. This is a whole rice, and then she's gonna mix them together. Mix them together. Incorporate the rice to the sauce. Okay, you see? Just keep stirring, and it will thicken up. Thicken up like this, and then we just taste. Make sure it needs any more seasoning. Basically, you can either add more salt, more MSG. That's basically it. I taste a little bit for you. It's good. Yeah. Easy version of Mexican rice, guys. Tastes good. Okay, and then you just put the garlic on top. Crispy garlic goes on top.